Hi guys, today I want to share with you my 2 recipes that I love to eat in my breakfast or during my tea time in the afternoon. It is easy, quickly and so delicious. If you like more recipes like this, please let me know in your comments right below and don't forget to subscribe. Be ready and let's get started. For the waffle, you are gonna need yuca starch or yuca pounder. It's Brazilian pounder, usually for bake pão de queijo. This pounder, you can find it on Amazon or Walmart and it is not expensive. 2 entire eggs, 1 tablespoon Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon Parmesan cheese shredded, a pinch salt, and 1 tablespoon yuca pounder. Combine the eggs, yogurt, and salt. Using a hand whisk, stir to combine. Now add the cheese and the yuca pounder and mix again until the pounder is incorporated to the batter. Pour in a waffle maker already preheated for about 5 to 7 minutes or until it turns light gold. The perfect waffle needs to be cracker outside and smoothly inside. My second recipe is this oat banana pancake that you can add your favorite toppings like bananas, strawberries or blueberries. For one recipe, you are gonna need 1 entire egg, 1 tablespoon Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon oat flour, a pinch salt, strawberries and bananas for topping. In a small bowl, combine the egg, yogurt, salt, mix until combined. Add the oat flour and mix again just to incorporate. I almost forgot, but also I am using a pinch baking powder. I greased a round frying pan with coconut oil and already preheated. Pour the batter in the frying pan and cook for each side until it turns gold brown for about 5 minutes each side. Now you can add your favorite toppings. I am add one sliced banana, and two sliced strawberries. And to make this pancake really tasty, also I am using this maple syrup organic by Crown. So this was my favorite breakfast ideas for the summer season. I hope that you enjoy it and have a blessed weekend. See you next time.